So this is the second part of the video. After the venous system, we are going to read about the portal system of frog. So frog has both renal and hepatic portal system. Renal portal system and hepatic portal system. Portal system has no any trick. It is simple and only we have to remember 2-3 names. So let's go and understand in figure. In here, this is a renal portal vein. This is femoral vein. This is sciatic vein. I will understand all. Sciatic vein. And this is branches of femoral called as pelvic vein. Branches of femoral, these two, this and this branches of femoral, this is called pelvic vein, and these two pelvic vein unite to form anterior abdominal vein. Anterior abdominal vein. So in portal system, these femoral and sciatic combinedly form renal portal vein, and femoral, the branches of femoral is called pelvic vein, and these two pelvic vein unites to form anterior abdominal vein, which drains blood to liver, hepatic liver. And this anterior abdominal vein is very important. Anterior abdominal vein is formed by combination of, or it is formed by two pelvic vein. This is very important question. And now in this is hepatic portal vein. Hepatic portal vein collects blood from various abdominal region, like from gastric vein है ना, gastric, stomach, duodenum region, spleen, etc. That is abdominal full gut. From gut there are many veins, and these all combines to form hepatic portal vein, which drains blood to liver. So you have to remember only 2-3 terms, that is renal portal vein formed by the union of femoral and sciatic vein, and femoral collects blood from femur region, that is higher part of leg, and sciatic vein collects blood from lower part of leg, and this femoral and sciatic vein unites to form renal portal vein. And now the branches of femoral is pelvic vein. See, this is femoral, and its branches is this and this. This is called pelvic vein, and these two pelvic vein unites to form anterior abdominal vein. And this anterior abdominal vein is very important question. Hepatic portal vein drains blood from various abdominal region like gastric, duodenum, spleen, and so on. So this much about portal system of frog. Portal system of frog is so easy. You can take a screenshot of this figure. This is very important. So this much for today. Okay, thank you.